about the Gyanvapi case, the Supreme Court has agreed to, remember, set up the bench to hear the Gyanvapi Kashi Vishwanath case, in which the Hindu side has sought an extension of the order by which protection of an area where the Shivling-like structure was found in the Gyanvapi premises. This was ordered by the court itself. The top court, remember, if we take you through the timeline, on the 17th of May had first passed an interim order directing protection of the area inside the Gyanvapi premises. Thereafter, on the 20th of the very same month, the top court had transferred the civil suit filed by the Hindu devotees on the Gyanvapi Mosque from the civil judge to the district judge, and it's been months long process that we've witnessed ever since. Now the court is likely to once again take up the matter of whether or not this protection to the Shivling-like structure can be extended, as is being sought by the Hindu side. The court, remember, Harish, has already agreed to set up a bench to hear this very issue, to hear this very aspect of an extension being sought with regards to protection of the Shivling-like structure. What are we to expect next? Harish.
Yes, that's right. Very important day as far as the Kashi Vishwanath Gyanvapi Mosque dispute is concerned. As you rightly said, at 3 p.m., a three-judge special bench will take up the petition filed by Advocate Vishnu Shankar Jain, who represents the 4 women Hindu devotees in the Ma Shringar Gauri worship case. He has submitted in his application that the protection given by the Supreme Court to the area from where the Shivling was recovered inside the Wazukhana of the Gyanvapi Mosque expires on November 12th, that is tomorrow. So a fresh order is required extending the given protection. Remember, on in the May 17th order, Supreme Court had, while directing the Varanasi civil judge to first decide on the maintainability of the suit, had specified that this protection will be carried forward by 2 months from the date of the judgment in the maintainability suit, and that judgment had come on September 12. The Varanasi civil judge had in fact upheld the maintainability of the suit filed by 4 Hindu women devotees, saying that it is not barred by the Places of Worship Act. So that 2 months expires tomorrow, that is November 12th. Remember, on May 17th, the Supreme Court in its order had said that, number 1, the place from where the Shivling was recovered will be protected, and the direction was given to the district magistrate, and the order also said such an order will not prohibit, impede the access of namazis, that is the Muslims, also in accessing the mosque, and they cannot be prevented from performing namaz or any other religious observances. So once if the Supreme Court extends the protection to the area from where the Shivling was recovered, the protection,
so the protection deadline expires tomorrow side. And given that an urgent mentioning was sought by the Hindu side today, that will be taken up by the 3-judge bench. Let's see what the final word will be and whether or not an extension will be given to the Hindu side with regards to the Shivling-like structure. Thank you for that, Harish. We'll keep coming back to you. That's something that we keep our focus on. But for the moment, slipping in a very quick break.